Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got one of the most wanted recipes for you, chicken 65. Let's see the ingredients that we are going to need. Chicken, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, ginger paste, natural yogurt, garlic paste, corn flour, egg, salt, rice flour or semolina, and oil for frying. Let's get started with the preparation. First of all, I'm going to marinate the chicken pieces with chili powder 1 to 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, ginger paste 1 teaspoon, garlic paste 1 teaspoon, and yogurt 1 teaspoon, corn flour 1.5 teaspoon, and add 1 egg. A little bit of salt to taste. And now mix them all together very well. Now all the ingredients are very nicely mixed. Now for extra crispiness, I'm going to add some rice flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, or you can also add 1 tablespoon of semolina, and now mix that very well. Now it's nicely marinated. Now cover it and leave it in the fridge for at least half an hour. After half an hour we are going to fry the chicken, so heat a pan in a medium heat and then add the required oil. Leave it in the medium heat. When the oil is hot enough but not too hot, I start adding the chicken pieces. Now all the chicken pieces are added. Remember to keep it in the medium heat. I'm going to fry this for 5 minutes in the medium heat. If the chicken pieces are slightly bigger than this, you can also cook for 6 minutes or 7 minutes. These chicken pieces are cooked now for 5 minutes and I'm going to turn them. Take special care and hold them very gently while you turn them, otherwise the coating on the chicken pieces are going to come off. So make sure you hold them gently. All the chicken pieces are now turned. Now I'm going to cook them for another 5 minutes. Remember to continue the medium heat. Now I'm going to change it to high heat and fry it really well for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of frying, I'm going to turn them again. As you can see, after frying in the high heat, it has turned brown already. Now we need to fry the other side to the same color. Now all the pieces are turned. Now it's time to fry them in the high heat for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, both sides are fried equally and they look exactly the same color. Now all the pieces are nicely fried. Now it's time to turn the heating off and remove all the chicken pieces from the oil. Now we have the delicious crispy chicken 65 ready. Let's garnish it with some onions and some curry leaves, and it's ready to be served. As you can see, the coatings on the chicken pieces are still very intact. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.